I also want to find out what's going on the inside on this car. Now, that's where this week's sponsor, Carly, is here to help. Carly is an all-in-one scanner which plugs into your OBD2 port to give you access to data you wouldn't normally see. Carly is not only a diagnostic tool, but gives access to live data, mileage verification, digital service records, and coding personalizations. Now, if we go in the Carly app, I've got the OBD reader plugged into the diagnostic port. Let's do some diagnostics. Let's see how many of the modules in this car have got faults. We just tap through and it says car is being checked. This car apparently has 13 ECUs, of which there are 10 issues. Let's have a little look. We have very bad, that's not good, is it? Instrument cluster, we have 1, immobiliser 2, instrument cluster, we've got 2 more, 3 in the engine, 1 in the central chassis, and then everyone else is happy. So let's have a little quick look. Let's go for engine first. We've got exhaust gas recirculation control. I'm going to guess because it's a diesel, that's going to be coked up and horrible. We've also got fuel preparation system, pre-feed monitoring. That's not good. So we appear to have a fuel problem, and we appear to have a glow plug module. Yeah, that'll probably explain why it's hard to start. But Carly summarises it into a nice, easy to read format. So if we pop back here, we can have a look at the other issues, but what I'm going to do is clear them all down and see what comes back, because they might be old history codes that have been there for a while. And then now we have a message that says, remind me in 3 days to rescan. So that gives the car time to drive, recollect any faults, and then anything that comes back is more likely to be an actual fault instead of a red herring that's been there from 10 years ago, someone unplugging a sensor. So I'm going to click remind me in 3 days. Okay, fine, I haven't got my notifications turned on. And there we go. And we can recheck for issues, and then we go through the process again and we'll see what comes back. And as if by magic, we are now good. We have green lights on all of the ECUs. That at least means that with the ignition on, there's no like shorted sensors or anything that's like bad. Obviously now we're going to drive it for a bit and we'll check again in the next couple of days and see what comes back. And if there's anything of note, we can at least action a repair. Now, we've diagnosed the car. However, we have another issue that Carly can help us fix. You may notice that this has an American side light. This car is not American, so we need to get rid of that. But Carly can do coding, so we're going to pop into coding, continue, we're going to check what we can code. So we need the light control module, as it's a light. We select that and we read it out. It will check the backup as well, so Carly takes a backup of the light module, so if we mess anything up, we can just put it back to how it was. And now Carly will tell us that we have backed up successfully, so we can make some modifications. One of the ones I liked as well is the hazard lights. You can do a double flash opposed to the European, well that is the European, opposed to the like British single flash. But the one we're looking for is the side markers. Let's turn that off because I don't like that. It will warn you that the voltage is low, so you don't want to be programming your ECU if the voltage is low. So obviously put a jump pack or a booster on while you're doing this. And there we go. Coding was successful. Please turn the ignition off and on again. But you don't even need to, just notice that that is fixed, finally. If you click the link in the description or use the discount code Jooshy, you will get 15% off your own Carly. Now, back to fixing the rest of this.